and part 2. So welcome guys, in season here, Sekhmet with a tinge of Bast. So I'm just going to share a little bit on this principle. So this is the healer. Remember the last season we say kinako ya budumedi baho hlokahala. This is what budumedi alright, where your flesh self is dying and now you are rising in your spirit self, right? Where now you are being taken to the scale and your heart, the scale of ma'at, your heart is weighed against the feather. And this is why I was recommending that we do the internal work, the spirit work, etc., etc., etc. Right? So now, if nertama kanako right, I guess, right? There's a certain time. So those who are knowledge collectors, knowledge seekers, and can back it up, have indicated how linako ya rona ya kenya batho mafehlong has actually also not being correct, because maybe we stray far from principles or whatever it is. But there's a certain time Yahoo Kenya I just saying I'll remember that name. But Yahoo Kenya Matwasana Lefeto would be the Sana, right? Now you've had your crazy dreams, you're dying, or people are dying, or yourself is dying, and you're readying yourself, right? So this is the healer principle. So Sekhmet-Bast, he the healer, but the bastet part of it comes and representing, here's my Sekhmet-Bast. I have my cat eye today. So this principle is represented by a deity with a female, with a lioness or cat, a feline, sorry, that's the word, a feline face, right? And so it also depicts the fierceness of this principle, right? So okay, I'll share it on the next part 3, the things that are gonna align us with the season. But this principle, so she's called the Ra, right? The eye of Ra. Hence I'm wearing my special eye today. Yeah, Illuminati, but I think I'm a little bit illuminated. So in the creation story, we'll also have to tell us the creation story. Hey, in the creation story, Ra, the eye of Ra, the overlook of Ra, the one that takes vengeance, she's the one that that's why on part